Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical crypto tutorial. How to send Tether, USDT, from Gemini to MetaMask in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will keep you ahead of the curve, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader. Tether is a stablecoin that's essential for many DeFi activities, and transferring it securely is key to managing your digital assets. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and MetaMask. Start by logging into your Gemini account on their official website or app. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select Tether, USDT. You'll see your balance there. Double-check it to ensure you have enough to transfer. Next, switch over to MetaMask. If you haven't already, install the MetaMask extension on your browser or the app on your mobile device. Open it up. Select the Ethereum network since Tether is typically on the ETH blockchain, and copy your wallet address. This is crucial. Never share this address with anyone. Now, head back to Gemini. In the Withdrawal or Send section, paste your MetaMask address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Tether you want to send, and don't forget to review any transaction fees. Gemini might have updated their interface by 2025. So look for any new security features like two-factor authentication to confirm the transfer. Hit confirm, and you'll get a summary of the transaction. Take a moment to verify everything. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds. Once approved, the transfer should process quickly, usually within minutes, depending on network congestion. After that, jump back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet. You should see your Tether arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes or check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip for 2025: always use hardware wallets for added security, and stay updated on any regulatory changes that might affect transfers. That's it for this guide. Sending Tether from Gemini to MetaMask is straightforward once you know the steps. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.